എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ? There is in the total outlay, there is a focus for the development, employment generation, and there is also the focus for social security aspects. Both are there. We are balancing. We are trying to balance it. And there is a sharp cut in the earlier years by the union government in the revenue which we are eligible to get. So that situation is continuing even now. But even then, we provided fund for many of the very important programs like Wayanad Churalmala Rehabilitation. Around 750 crores as the first installment of expenditure. We provided it, we put it, and we are expecting some support from others, especially the union governments. Support also. Support means there some special grant is expected, but it is not at came. Anyway, we have to start that, and within 1 year, we are planning to complete that scheme. Then this is one thing related to this, and there was a lot of capital investment for the development of Vizhinjam related, port related development, and education and health hub. That area is there. Then we are planning for a massive cooperative housing scheme, which will be supported by the government also. Then
you began by saying that the financial constraints are much less.
So we are actually for the last 3 years, because of the unilateral union decision to cut and reduce the funds because of 15th Finance Commission's other reasons, cut off stoppage of GST compensation, we were suffering a lot. Even now, that cut is there, but our fiscal constraints, to some extent, we were able to overcome that. Fiscal constraints is there. We have to put forth some of the expenditure, but there is a practical improvement in the expenditure pattern of the state. It would have been more, but last 2-3 years, we were struggling between around 1,60,000 crores. This year, we were able to, current year, we were able to spend more than 1,78,000 lakh. That is what we are feeling. Next year, we are expecting 1,98,000. That is the planning or the budget. And practically looking, even though there is financial constraints, comparing to the earlier government of 5 year on first Panarai LDF government, our average annual expenditure was 1,17,000. Now we have improved it up to 1,64,000. So there is around 50,000 crore improvement amidst these difficulties. So we are expecting something more. But we would have received another 30, 40, 50,000 crores extra, which is eligible from the union government, which is, we are thinking that we are feeling or facing some stepmotherly attitude from the union because of many reasons, including political reasons, mainly political reasons. So this is the situation.
So the opposition is saying about the increase in taxes, land tax almost 50%, vehicle tax. They're saying that this is taxing the common man.
Actually, this is the most lowest tax budgets in the last many years. That is what I feel, because total revenue from taxes we are expecting only 350 crores, means which is the general cost for a major project. See, issue is why the opposition thinks that their duty is to criticize blindly, whatever it is, we have to say. Actually, there is an increase of land tax, basic karam that we are saying, land tax. 5 rupees was for an R. R means 2.5 cents around. For 2.5 cents land, the land tax was 5 rupees per year. We increased it to 7.5 rupees. A huge increase, that is what they are saying. So people will understand. And KIFBI is an institution which wanted to develop the infrastructure facilities of the state. For that, we earlier planned for some kind of revenue generation through that. For example, if you are making an IT park or a market or some kind of things, and whatever which you have to get some return, you have to make some return from that, but not like private entities. Private entities, totally they want to make all the return and plus profit. But here, a good percentage of the money is going from the government exchequer. So, whatever returns we are planning may be something less than the other areas, but we are not taken any decision to introduce something new which was not there in the pipeline. Actually, revenue generation